Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of October. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Maybe your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's get started, Geminis. Let's see what's there for you. Okay, wow, we have the Ace of Swords to begin with. Oh, followed by the Six of Swords. Okay. And the Nine of Wands. This is very common today. Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Page of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. Okay. And the Ten of Cups. Four of Wands. Temperance. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Geminis. The Three of Hearts. Guidance from the angels. Healer of thought. Okay. So Geminis, there was a beautiful new beginning. That's what I am getting. It was out of the blue, sort of something very blessed. You thought it was very blessed. There was a new beginning in your life, a very happy and a blessed one. That's what I'm getting again and again. That is what you felt. It had a beautiful energy to it. Okay, but something went wrong somewhere that you had to leave it. Okay, you worked hard on this situation, or you invested at least a lot of time in this situation, whatever it was, but it didn't give you any results, so you decided to move away. That's what I'm getting here. And you are moving away because it didn't work out, perhaps, or you didn't see any results coming in from the other person or whosoever it was. Even if it was not a relationship, then basically your rewards or your efforts were not rewarded. You invested a lot of time. That's what I'm getting, rather than effort also. But yes, you have invested a lot of time in this situation. You thought it was blessed, it was a new beginning, everything was good, it just came out of the blue. I'm getting that, so I'm putting it there. But you had to leave it, or you chose to leave it, whatever it was. Okay, because it wasn't rewarding. Here also, with the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords, as you are moving away from this situation, I think you are obviously very closed off, keeping things to yourself and trying to contemplate on something, or trying to make a decision over something. Or maybe what I feel here is that since you have moved away from this situation, you want something new, and this time you are perhaps very guarded and trying to choose wisely or decide wisely, basically. And it is because you've already been hurt in the past. That is what I'm getting here with the Three of Swords. Because of this agony or with this hurt which you've got, or with, that your efforts were not rewarded, you are now evaluating things properly and keeping things to yourself. Perhaps because of the fact that maybe somebody has dissed you for the, maybe you revealed something, so you feel it's better to keep things to yourself, sort of. That's what I'm getting. And this can be because maybe you have shared something in the past, so that is the lesson. Perhaps you shared your emotions, you shared your information, whatever it was, perhaps. So you are not choosing it to keep it to yourself and trying to make a decision to the new path or the new journey, whatever it is in your love, or whatever decision you need to make for the future. Yes, you want a new beginning, basically. With the Page of Cups and with the Page of Wands, you are in a new beginning, basically. But with the Five of Pentacles, again over here, again here also, I feel that there has been a time when you have been ignored and rejected. Your efforts were not acknowledged over here, and that is the thing which is there lingering in your mind here with the Three of Swords and here with the Five of Pentacles also. So since you have already faced this situation, because of this, that caution has come in you. That's what I'm trying to say. And because of that caution, you are weighing every pros and cons, and you are not moving in haste. You are trying to contemplate very wisely. Each step is being sort of scrutinized by yourself. You want to move ahead wisely now. And here with the Page of Cups and with the Page of Wands, what I feel is here is that you are ready to move in a new direction or new relationship, but you have that lingering thought in your mind that you have suffered in the past, so you don't want to invest immediately. You want to make a small move or a small beginning or a small communication. But yes, you are trying to manifest it, you are ready for it, and here you are doing it with the Ten of Cups, with the Four of Wands, and just see the Temperance. That's what I said. You are manifesting yourself a beautiful new relationship over here, which is committed and which is long term, which is stable. So you are planning a family with this person. At least that is what you are planning to do, and you are doing it very, very wisely with the Temperance. That's what I said. You are scrutinizing yourself very intensely. You are just each and every move you are making, each and every gesture you are doing, you want to be extra cautious, and you just want to be just right. You are not in the mood to make anything go wrong again. That is what I'm trying to say. That is what you are doing, and that is the lesson you have learned from the past, perhaps. So you don't want to make any mistake once again. That's what you are doing. And here with the Three of Hearts, I see this is ultimately celebration. It is happiness. It is spending time with your friends, family, whosoever. So it is happy times. That is what you are manifesting for yourself. Healer of thought. It is the time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. That's what I said. That is lingering in your head, but you are trying to come out of it, and you are coming out. So, and you are doing it. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. This is the guidance for this part. That's what you have done. You felt it was a very beautiful relationship or something. You felt blessed, but you had to leave it because your efforts were not acknowledged. Okay, so people who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or another person involved in this situation is wise, insightful, and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor, and offers a lot of life experience. So this is, you need to declutter of your life. You need to know what needs to be left and what needs to be, lessons should be learned, and move ahead. That's what it is. So get rid of anything which is cluttering your space or is making you making your life a mess. So you have to clean up your life, and that is what you are doing, very, very wisely, scrutinizing each and every action of yours, each and every move of yours, thinking twice before acting. That basically you are doing that. You are thinking twice before acting. Okay, and that is a very wise thing to do. Here with the Temperance as a major arcana, you are doing it beautifully, and you are able to manifest yourself a new beginning. It can be a relationship, it can be a partnership also. Whatever it is giving you something solid and stable on which you can depend upon, and which will make you happy and give you a lot of emotional satisfaction, stability, and will give you a lot of abundance also. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Geminis. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.